Namaste, welcome to Havilah Elsha kitchen. Today we are going to prepare butter popcorn recipe. Okay, let's get started. Take a pan, add medium cubed butter. Once the butter is melted, now add 1 cup of dried corn to the butter. Mix it well and fry for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, close the lid and keep the flame medium. Okay, now you can see corn popping up. That's all. Your favorite butter popcorn is ready. Okay guys, thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havilah Elsha Kitchen. Thank you. Bye-bye.